To book and pay an incentive, open two POS windows side by side. Right-click on the POS tab and create a duplicate. Go to the first tab and click on the Register Report button. The Register Report tab opens, showing the POS Register Report for the day. Here you can see the service staff report and the incentives earned by the staff. Now go to the second tab and click on the Add Expense button. Select the expense category in the Add Expense window that pops up. Then, select the Expenses subcategory. Go back to the first tab to check the details of the incentive, including the employee name and incentive amount. Return to the second tab and select the employee name in the Expenses for box. Enter the total amount to be paid as the incentive. Type the expense note here, specifying it is a service incentive. Now, for the payment part, enter the amount paid in the Add Payment section. Select the payment method from the drop-down menu. Select the payment account from the available options. Type the payment note and click Save to complete the expense entry. After clicking Save, a confirmation will appear saying Expense added successfully. We can add expenses and incentives using this method.